Hi guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'm just going to give you a quick update on how my cash secure put on GameStop is doing. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who's interested in making money in the stock market. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. If you are interested in joining me on this journey, go ahead and check out my link down below. So the reason I sold a cash secure put is because I want to buy GameStop at a lower price. So I sold this cash secure put. It was, I believe, 2 days ago. So in order to sell a cash secure put, I do need to put up a collateral. And the collateral is essentially what I would buy 100 shares at. So I chose a strike price of $135 because I don't mind buying 100 shares at that price. So by me putting up a collateral, I receive a small premium in return because I am obligated to buy 100 shares if the stock price is at $135 or below on expiration date. So let's check out my option contract expires on the 26th. So if GameStop is at $135 or below, then I would have to buy 100 shares at $135. Even if GameStop goes below 100, I would still have to buy 100 shares at $135. If it's above $135, then the collateral, which is $13,500, is released back to me. Either outcome, I did receive a $770 premium. So we see the trade price is at 7.70. So we would just multiply that by 100 because there's 100 shares in one contract. I usually just ignore the PL open and PL day because for me, I usually just let the option expire worthless. If my option is breached, meaning it's in the money and I don't want to buy 100 shares, what I would do then is roll the contract over to next week. So I am using Thinkorswim and they have this create rolling order. So what happens then is I have to buy back the option. And the option right now costs $165. And then I sell it again for $1,000. So the difference between those two is $850. So if I were to roll this contract over to next week, I would collect a premium of $850 on top of the $770 that I received. So people actually sell options for a living. They just keep rolling it and rolling it. But there's still a possibility that if the stock goes to 50, it would be very hard to collect a premium. So we usually want to sell on stocks that we don't mind owning. And honestly, I want to own GameStop shares at a lower price. So that's why I chose $135. And you might think, why didn't I just buy shares? That's because I get to receive a premium versus if I were to buy the shares outright without receiving the premium. At least this way, I get it at a discount if it does go to $135. So we usually want, if we want to get a sign, we usually want the stock to close a penny below where the stock is trading at. Most of the time, we will get a sign. So I would want it to close at 134.99 or just 134. Around 133, 134, I'm happy with. But I don't think that's going to happen today because we do see a lot of momentum in GameStop, a lot of volume today. If this momentum continues, this can easily go to 200 and above. So that's all I wanted to share was this update and to show you guys that selling cash secure puts is fun because we get to collect a premium and possibly get the shares at a discount. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and do consider joining the Patreon page. We already have 50 members in there and we would love for people to join us and collaborate on finding the next hottest stocks, as well as just learning from each other and becoming a better trader and investor.